Hi everybody. For my informative speech today, I will talk a little about one component of my major. For those of you who have not met me, my name is Dougherty. I'm in my third semester here at Johnson College, and my major is Electrical Construction and Maintenance Technology, commonly referred as ECM. For those of you who are not ECM students, I'll shed a little light on how my program, works and what areas of the industry will employ me upon graduation from the program. Now, the classes and training in the ECM program prepares a student to work as a certified field electrician on the path to becoming a journeyman. As is the case in most other trade fields, there is usually a period of time where the new electrician will receive on-the-job training. This is commonly referred to as an apprenticeship. There are several different apprenticeship programs as a tradesman climbs the ladder of promotion. Now that I've provided you with a little insight to my career, I'll talk briefly about one element of this field, which is a largely significant element, I should note. Now, this element is safety and protection. As we all know, electricity is incredibly dangerous. Death and grievous injury may result if proper procedures are not followed to the T when working on an electrical system. Electrical systems demand respect and attention to detail. Minor wiring mistake or lapse in judgment on a service can lead to arc blasts, which are basically an explosion. There are also arc flashes that can occur, which also are an explosion, just not as severe. Now, arc blasts and arc flashes shoot out a blinding burst of light, fire, and heat, which can exceed temperatures of 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Other mistakes or improper wiring on the system may also lead to fires, which can range from minor fires to raging infernos that can potentially destroy an entire building if not caught early on. Now, since there are these instances that can unfortunately occur in several other safety hazards, there is one book in particular which serves as a Bible for most electricians. And this book is called the National Electrical Code. I'll show you that here. And when I open it up, it gives me a brief introduction on the code, several definitions that can be found throughout the code book. It goes over different articles, titles, wiring methods, procedures, safety guidelines, how to install certain installations and running wire, things of that nature. And a lot of other safety precautions as well. That's the basic breakdown of the code itself. The code itself, I should mention, is revised every 3 years. The current version of the code book that I have is in our year now, 2020. There are also certain representatives that write the code book. These representatives can range from electricians, engineers, different manufacturers. But bottom line is the purpose of the code book itself is to provide safety. All right, in closing, so this is one small piece of the electrical side. As you can tell, it's a lot of information, but it all serves a purpose. Electricity is obviously no joke, and we still have much to learn from it. I hope you were able to gain a better perspective of my program area and what we as electricians face every day. Thank you.